Goodbye greasy windshield, hello crystal clear views. The ultimate oil film cleaner is here. Tired of battling stubborn windshield oil film that turns your drive into a blurry mess? Meet the Fululuer 2025 Automotive Oil Film Cleaning Brush, your all-in-one weapon against grime, streaks, and fog. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a visibility upgrade. Unlike cheap sprays or ineffective wipes, this built-in applicator brush releases just the right amount of cleaning solution, melting away oil film instantly. No extra tools, no elbow grease, just press, wipe, and drive. And the best part? It prevents future buildup, keeping your glass pristine for the long haul. Rain? Fog? Bring it on! This game-changing glass cleaner does more than erase oil film. It creates an invisible protective layer that repels rain, fog, and dirt like magic. That means zero streaks, zero fogging, and zero guesswork when you're driving in bad weather. The result? Safer, stress-free driving with perfectly clear windshields, side windows, and mirrors. Unlike traditional cleaners that leave behind smudges or evaporate in minutes, this one locks in long-lasting clarity for miles and miles. No damage, just perfection. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals that eat away at your car's surfaces. This advanced formula is paint-safe, rubber seal-friendly, and streak-free, ensuring your glass stays flawless without harming surrounding materials. The ergonomic brush fits comfortably in your hand, making every swipe effortless. No more wrestling with paper towels or struggling to reach tricky corners. This seamless applicator glides smoothly, covering every inch of your windshield in seconds. Save time, money, and hassle. Why waste money on countless sprays, rags, or professional cleanings? This all-in-one solution lets you clean, coat, and protect your windshield in just minutes, lasting longer than competitors that require constant reapplication. Forget the endless cycle of wiping and rewiping. This powerful cleaner works the first time, giving you pro-quality results without the pro price tag. Works everywhere, anytime. Not just for cars, use it on mirrors, shower doors, windows, and more. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road tripper, or just hate dirty glass, this is the cleaner you've been waiting for. Get yours today and experience the clearest, safest drive of your life.